Hello and congratulations. You just bought your online course membership. Let me go ahead and quickly get you started so you know how to do your courses. All right, here we go. You're going to come over here to the website, ASLTeachingResources.com. Click right here at the top top right here, and it says courses. Now, part of them belong to the other membership, which is for anyone that wants a membership for the whole website. This one focuses on just learning sign language. So you'll know if it is for you or not by going down here, and you can see if it says notice. Then that one really relates to teaching sign language to the kids. The other things are accessible for you. So two of these you want to make sure that you have access to. This one right here, although this does expand for the other membership, it also might kind of guide you and help you understand how everything works. But this right here, you want to check back every month because we change it out and we add extra bonuses for you. This is for a limited time. It won't always be there, but for right now you have added bonuses that you can access. So be sure and take advantage of this. Okay, and that is again clicking courses, and you can go directly to one right here. If you've started, I want to learn sign language in 60 days, there it is right there. Some of these will expand out, so let's go look at these. We have Sign Club, pardon me, trying to see which ones expand out. I think my internet is just a little slow right now. Okay, let me show you, there it is. Let me show you the other part here. We are looking at right here. So when you go ahead and access to start learning sign language, you will see right here an image that will guide you in how to access everything. So just take a moment and look at that and let it lead you. Now the best part is that you will receive an email, so make sure you are getting the info at ASLTeachingResources.com allowable into your email box, okay? Because this right here is going to show you how to start, okay? And then you'll get other emails. You'll have a part 2, and you'll have some other things that lead you just a little at a time so that you understand completely how to access your membership. Okay, well there you go, and congratulations. If you are seeing this video and you want to join as well, this right here is available at right here. You just go to ASLTeachingResources.com and you click on that Learn ASL, and anyone can sign up and start learning sign language today. And our famous courses are Learn ASL in 60 days. This is presented from deaf, interpreters, hearing, young, and old. You are going to be amazed. It has tests and quizzes. It has, you even have a book you can get additionally on Amazon, or you can use the handouts that we give you in the course. It's a lot, and if you are needing a certificate that you did this and you passed, it will be in all of the courses that you have access to. Okay, congratulations, and let us know how we can help and support you.